Planning for Easter but feel like your decorations are missing that wow factor? Wondering how to turn a simple branch or small tree into a stunning Easter centerpiece? Looking for Easter tree decoration ideas that are festive, creative, and budget-friendly? Want decor that works for kids, guests, and Instagram-worthy moments all at once? Curious how to blend pastel charm, tradition, and modern style into one beautiful setup? Then stay right here, because today we're exploring Easter tree decoration ideas that will completely transform your home and make this Easter unforgettable. What is an Easter tree and why is it so popular? An Easter tree is a decorative tree or branch arrangement adorned with eggs, flowers, and spring-themed ornaments. It symbolizes renewal, life, and new beginnings, which perfectly matches the spirit of Easter. Whether small or large, it instantly becomes a joyful focal point in your home. What are the essential elements of Easter tree decorations? Easter tree decor usually includes colorful eggs, pastel ribbons, spring florals, and nature-inspired accents. Lightweight ornaments work best, so branches stay balanced and elegant. Mixing textures like wood, glass, and fabric adds depth and visual charm. If these ideas are inspiring you already, hit like and share this video with someone who loves decorating for Easter. How can I decorate an Easter tree on a budget? You don't need expensive decor to create a beautiful Easter tree. Painted plastic eggs, DIY paper ornaments, and reused ribbons work perfectly. Even branches from your garden placed in a vase can look stunning with a little creativity. What color themes work best for Easter trees? Pastels like blush pink, soft yellow, mint green, and lavender are classic Easter choices. For a modern look, try white and gold or neutral tones with soft pops of color. Keeping a consistent palette makes the tree look elegant and intentional. Which Easter color theme do you love most, pastels or neutrals? Tell us in the comments below. How can I make Easter tree decorations kid-friendly? Use shatterproof eggs, felt ornaments, and handmade crafts created by kids. Let children design their own eggs or name tags to hang on the tree. This turns decorating into a fun family activity and creates lasting memories. Can Easter trees be used as table centerpieces? Absolutely! Mini Easter trees are perfect for dining tables, coffee tables, or entry consoles. Use smaller branches in decorative vases and keep ornaments minimal for a clean look. These centerpieces add charm without overwhelming the space. For more creative seasonal decor ideas, check out our full Easter decor playlist, linked in the description. How do I decorate an Easter tree for a modern home? Choose monochrome eggs, glass ornaments, and minimal ribbons for a sleek style. Stick to neutral tones and focus on symmetry and spacing. A modern Easter tree looks refined, calm, and effortlessly stylish. What natural elements can I add to an Easter tree? Fresh flowers, faux blossoms, twigs, feathers, and wooden eggs bring a natural spring vibe. These elements create a soft, organic feel that connects indoor decor with the season outdoors. Nature-inspired trees always feel warm and timeless. Subscribe for weekly decor inspiration that blends creativity, simplicity, and seasonal style. How can lighting enhance an Easter tree display? Soft fairy lights or micro LEDs wrapped around branches add warmth and sparkle. Lighting highlights ornaments beautifully, especially in the evening. Keep lights subtle so they enhance rather than overpower the decorations. Where should I place an Easter tree in my home? Popular spots include the living room corner, dining area, entryway, or near a window. Choose a place where the tree can be seen easily without blocking movement. A well-placed Easter tree instantly lifts the mood of the space. If you're enjoying this, explore more Easter and spring decor videos linked in the description. Can Easter trees work in small apartments? Yes. Even small spaces can enjoy Easter trees using tabletop versions or wall-mounted branches. Vertical arrangements save space while still making a statement. Small decor can still feel festive and impactful. How can I reuse Easter tree decorations every year? Store eggs, ribbons, and ornaments carefully in labeled boxes. Choose timeless designs rather than trendy ones so they stay relevant. Reusing decor saves money and builds meaningful holiday traditions. Love the decor styles shown here. Find similar Easter tree decor products linked in the description. Can Easter trees be themed beyond traditional styles? Definitely. Try farmhouse, boho, minimalist, or even luxury-themed Easter trees. Match ornaments with your home's interior style for a seamless look. Themed trees feel intentional and uniquely personal. How do I balance decorations so the tree doesn't look cluttered? Start with larger ornaments and space them evenly before adding smaller details. Step back often to check balance and symmetry. Less is more when it comes to elegant Easter tree styling. What makes an Easter tree truly special and memorable? Personal touches like family-made ornaments, name tags, or symbolic decor make the tree meaningful. It's not just about decoration, it's about celebrating togetherness and renewal. That emotional connection is what makes it unforgettable. Easter tree decorations are more than just seasonal decor. They're a celebration of renewal, joy, and creativity. Whether you prefer DIY charm, elegant minimalism, or playful family-friendly designs, there's an Easter tree style for every home. Start small, choose what reflects your personality, and let your Easter tree become the heart of your celebration this season. If this video inspired your Easter decorating plans, like and share it with friends and family who love festive decor. Comment below and tell us how you're decorating your Easter tree this year. We'd love to hear your ideas. Explore our complete Easter decor playlist in the description for more creative and seasonal inspiration. Subscribe to the channel for fresh decor ideas, holiday inspiration, and creative home styling every week. Find more spring and Easter decor videos waiting for you in the description below. All decor items featured in this video are linked in the description for easy shopping and inspiration.